everyone. I wish you have an amazing day. We are now again on the way to have a day trip. So just follow me on the way. You will see beautiful scenery from the car.
Are you ready, Boots? Start walking.
It is spring now, so you see flowers blooming. I love seeing the open, huge green land. Many places you can see in Germany. We need to travel for 1 hour and 20 minutes. And now we have traveled for about 40 minutes. So we passed by some villages, so you can see some typical German houses and old houses in the villages. We are about to get to destination. We are passing by a long range of cliffs. You see guys, it's so beautiful. You see people climbing the cliffs. What a cute tunnel. And another tunnel again. I heard that there are several tunnels that we are going to pass by later on. See the cliffs? It's quite high. If you are here to see by yourself, it is so amazing, as if we are in the Grand Canyon. We'll have this view for about 20 minutes along the way to the destination. It is so beautiful, amazing. See another tunnels again. It's so cute. So the road is not straight because we are following the shape of the cliffs. So you see, later on we'll pass by another tunnel again. Quite many tunnels. So we are almost reaching the place because you see over the road, you can see the Donau River. See? So we are now following the Donau River to the village that we are going to have a jungle walk and hiking. Yeah, we are here. Hello everyone. I hope you have an amazing day. We are now at the Oberes Donautal. The village name is Beuron. So we are just arrived. We drive here more than 1 hour from our town. Okay, later I will bring you for a tour for this nature park. You see guys, so beautiful. This area is also in South Germany at Baden-Württemberg. Can you see the house over there? Oops, there's a bicycle. So we are going up to the staircase now. This place is also my first time here. I've never been here before. It's a nice nature park. It is so beautiful. The weather is so nice today. I'm now under the tree, my favorite tree, waiting for my hubby. He is going to the restroom. Now we are going to climb a staircase. We want to have a view on top of there. It is a nice place. A lot of trees. It's very green in here. Yeah, here I spot a church. I think should be a small church for the community in here. It is a nice place for a day trip or a day out. So just now we drove for more than 1 hour. So it is a nice day trip. Now we are going to the church. The ceiling is beautiful. It is a small church. I cannot talk too loud in here. So now we are going down. We want to look for a way to the nature. I think this is a chapel. It's a grave. So now we are going down to the nature. It's so beautiful. All is green. And the weather is so nice today. It's spring. But I heard a lot of vehicles here passing by. I think we have to go further down to avoid these noisy vehicles rolling down on the road. So this is the way to the church. Just now we came down from this way. It is another side because we are going down to the nature. I think this place is nice too in summer or in autumn. Now it is spring, so it is not too cold. And the sunlight is so beautiful. The sky is blue. See, it's a blue sky, so beautiful over there. And it looks like a mini Grand Canyon. I will show you in the video when we pass by with our car, when we drove by with our car. Along the road you can see the cliff. It is quite tall. You can see the wild berries. Here too, wild berries. So beautiful, so lovely. Now we are walking up again because this is my first time here, so I don't know how far is the nature, but we are just walking up. We have no plan. We just planned it yesterday that we want to go here, so I think we just decided this morning that we are going to come here. Yeah, we are very spontaneous persons, but it's okay. Sometimes that something you don't plan, it end up very nice, isn't it? You see up there the branches, so beautiful. The branches with the blue background is a nice branches. And I love the backdrop, it is so nice. Hello, this tree is so nice, so beautiful. I love the trees with no leaves, just branches. I love this tree. So we still have to walk quite far. It is so nice today. I saw an old man. Hey, old man. Hello. What's this? So the house is beautiful. We are passing by a bridge now, you see. There is a railway for the train. It is quite high, you know. This bridge is high. It is so scary to look down. It's so tall. What is this?
And it's
The jungle trip is too long. I will break my video into 3 or 4 parts. So see you again in my next video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.